to set your page to be visible so that Facebook can be recommending your page to people. You find it difficult to get followers. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the settings you need to check if you set them very well, because they are very, very important as a page owner. This will help Facebook to be recommending your page to people for them to follow. It will make your page to be visible. So join me on the screen. Let me show you those settings you need to check if you set them very well so that your page can be visible.
So guys, this is how to set up your page so that you'll be getting more followers on your page. All you need to do is just tap your profile. Once you tap your profile, then you scroll down, you go to your about. Once you tap your about, it will bring out your location and everything. So you tap see all about, you tap it. So once you tap it, you see location. This one na location. This na my location of, this is the location of my page, India. So anywhere you are or anywhere your page is being managed from, location of that place. But if you're in Nigeria, as Nigeria is not eligible, you can put Nigeria. But if you are living in any other place that is not eligible, but your page is in another place that is eligible, you can put the location of that place. You understand? So it's very important you put it and make sure that it is public. As you can see, my own is public. Make sure that your address is public. This is very, very important. So another place you need to check is here now, always open. Always open. Some people, they put their own in hours. You know, your page is like a market. You need to market your page very well in a way that customers will be coming. If you put it hours, if you post video at times, Facebook might not distribute that video. But once you always open, Facebook will know that you are always open. So they will always distribute your videos whenever you upload it, and your page will always be open. So people can follow you at any time, be it morning, afternoon, night, midnight. People can follow you and you can upload your video anytime because your page is on always open. So make sure that you check these settings very well. Check your location, if it is public or not, and the location you put it, then you check your hours. Make sure that it is always open and put it on public so that anytime people can follow your page, people can see your video and watch it. So don't put it on hours. Yes, don't. If you put it on hours, people will not be getting followers as you want. So guys, thank you all for watching.